effort in the Second World War.
There we go.
A deep roar as it passes Buckingham Palace here. And an even deeper roar on the way when the tornadoes and the typhoons, the modern fighter jets, rip through the sky above Westminster. Delight on the balcony, a mixture of old and new in that flight past. And a reminder too, when we saw the Battle of Britain planes, that of course we're talking here about the royal family that stayed in London during the Second World War. Our man Jake Humphrey there, who's clearly enjoying the flight. We'll be talking to Jake a little later in the day and